Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually plant a spike in Valorant. So yeah guys, I played with so many friends, so many people that they accidentally take the spike or they just take the spike like normally, and yeah, they play the game, they know how to aim, they know everything, but the moment it comes to spiking, they don't really know how to spike. Even like when they try to spike or like to plant the spike, they find like the number or the key that you can spike with is not really connected. It's not really binding in their keyboard. So how we can fix all of these problems? First of all, guys, I highly suggest that you go first before playing any game to play, and then go ahead to a practice game. Here, guys, I will highly suggest that you go ahead and click on Spike Planting, and then click on Enter Range. Now, guys, basically what this will open for us a range of practice full of bots, like 3 bots, that will stop you from planting the spike. You can try to kill them, and then you will have to plant the spike. Now I will show you how to plant the spike, or how to know which key to use in order to plant the spike. So first of all, let me just start. Okay, here we go. So let me just pick everything, so the gun, and here you will find the spike. So click F to actually take the spike, and then what you'll have to do is go to controls, equipment, and check for the spike. So let's check what is the spike. So equip spike. So for me it is this key. So the same key that you equip the spike with, which is for me this key, is the same key that you have to keep spamming while planting. So let me just go and close this. Let me just turn it to easy mode so we can just enter the zone freely. So here we go, like that. And let me just do this. Let's push. So there is nothing here, nothing here. Okay, alright, let's get this one. And let's get this guy real quick. So here we go. Now as you can see, we have the spike in our hand. First of all, we have to enter the site where we can plant. So I can't really plant here, not here, not here. So we can only plant in this place. So it's inside of this circle or whatever shape it is. So now what I'm going to do is basically just choose a place and then spam the equip spike key. So here I go, not spamming it, but just hold it. So here I am holding it, and as you can see, if I stopped, it will stop planting. So wait until it's fully charged. And here we go. The spike has currently planted. So what you'll have now to do is pretty simple. Just define the spike. As you can see here, let's check over here. There's nothing. Um, Something like that, and GG, you now know how to plant the spike. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.